Picture this. You're floating in space, surrounded by stars, when suddenly the sky ahead looks wrong, darker than dark, pulling everything in like a cosmic trap. No warning, no escape. That's not science fiction, it's reality. Out there, the universe hides places so deadly, so unimaginable, that even the toughest science struggles to explain them. From invisible monsters that swallow light, to stars that can fry entire planets in seconds. Today, we're diving into the most dangerous places in the universe. Trust me, by the end of this journey, you'll see Earth as the safest, most precious home we could ever have. Let's start with the ultimate predator, the black hole. These are regions where gravity is so strong, not even light can escape. If you got too close, time itself would slow down for you, while the rest of the universe rushed ahead. Stray past the event horizon, and you'd be stretched into spaghetti, literally torn apart atom by atom. There are millions of black holes drifting silently in our galaxy, invisible and waiting. Some are small, others, like Sagittarius asterisk at the center of the Milky Way, are millions of times more massive than the Sun. Black holes aren't just holes. They're cosmic engines of destruction. But black holes aren't the only killers. Imagine a star exploding in a supernova, leaving behind a city-sized corpse called a neutron star. Just 1 teaspoon of this material weighs about 1 billion tons. If Earth somehow collided with one, our planet would be shredded instantly. Some neutron stars also spin hundreds of times per second, firing deadly beams of radiation like a lighthouse in space. If Earth were unlucky enough to cross their path, life would be cooked away in seconds. Now picture this. Somewhere in the cosmos, a star collapses and sends out a burst of energy so powerful it outshines entire galaxies. This is a gamma ray burst, the deadliest explosion known. A single burst lasting just a few seconds could sterilize an entire planet, stripping away its atmosphere and erasing life in an instant. Luckily, none are aimed at us right now, but scientists believe one could have hit Earth in the past, possibly wiping out ancient life forms, long before humans existed. As terrifying as that sounds, danger doesn't always come from stars. Imagine a planet drifting alone in the darkness of space. No sun, no warmth, just eternal night. These are rogue planets, worlds kicked out of their solar systems. They wander the galaxy silently, invisible until it's too late. If one ever entered our solar system, the gravitational chaos could throw Earth off its orbit or drag it into deep space, freezing everything we know. And then there are quasars, the brightest, most violent objects in the universe, powered by supermassive black holes devouring matter at their cores. Quasars shine so fiercely they can outblaze entire galaxies. The radiation they release is enough to cook planets thousands of light years away. Luckily, the ones we know about are far, far away from us. But they remind us how small and fragile we really are. So what does all of this mean? Black holes, neutron stars, gamma ray bursts, rogue planets, quasars, they're all out there, lurking in the darkness. Yet somehow, in this cosmic battlefield, Earth floats safely in a tiny bubble of calm. No deadly rays, no wandering planets, no collapsing stars. At least, not yet. The universe is dangerous, unpredictable, and beyond our control. But maybe that's what makes our little blue world so extraordinary. Out there is chaos. Here, we have life. And that alone is the greatest miracle of all.